Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you select all Gmails in your iPhone. So guys, go to Gmail at first. Now after going to Gmail, here you can see all the emails are here. If you want to select all the emails at once, just long press on a single email like this. And after that, in the top left here you will see select all. Just click on select all. Now after clicking select all, here you can see all the emails has been selected. Now you can do various things by selecting all the emails. Just like if you click on this icon, all the emails will be in the trash bin. If you select this message icon, all the emails will be read. And if you click this top right, this three dot icon, you can move all the emails. You can mark them as importance. You can mute them. You can report spam. You can do various things. So guys, that's how you can select all the Gmails at once. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.